So students, here you can see the examples of the oxidation reactions. Means when carbon means coal, when you burn the coal in the presence of oxygen, then CO2 gas is formed. Means carbon is combining with oxygen atom. So it is known as oxidation reactions. Means carbon has oxidized to form CO2 gas. Similarly, when you take the copper metal, when you heat the copper metal in the presence of oxygen, then cupric oxide is formed. Cupric oxide CuO is formed because copper metal has oxidized, taking the oxygen from oxygen molecule O2, right? Simply you have to understand here carbon and copper has oxidized to form their respective oxides, right? And you may take the more examples. Means when any metal is allowed to oxidize, then their respective metal oxides are formed. And taking the non-metals also, that's carbon, sulfur, nitrogen, then their respective oxides are formed. So this kind of reactions are said to be oxidation reactions. You may collect more examples. Okay. Now example of reduction reactions means simply you have to understand. Means when hydrogen atom is linked with some other substances, then it is known as the reduction reactions. So when you take the carbon and when you heat along with the hydrogen gas, then definitely methane gas is produced. So here carbon has reduced to form methane gas, right? Because hydrogen has linked with the carbon. Similarly, when you take the nitrogen gas and when you heat along with the hydrogen gas, then definitely this nitrogen gas also reduced by combining the hydrogen to produce the ammonia gas. Yes, this is all about the reduction reactions, and you may collect more examples if you want. Now here is time to show the example of the redox reactions. Means earlier we have discussed, means such a reaction, such a chemical reaction in which both oxidation and reductions are happening, such chemical reactions are said to be redox reactions. Now here I have taken one example. This, when you take the copper oxide and when you pass the hydrogen gas just over this, then what will happen? Means this CuO means cupric oxide is reduced by the hydrogen. Means hydrogen is just taking out the oxygen atom from this compound. So this CuO is reduced to copper metal. मतलब इसमें जो cupric oxide था, because the hydrogen has been reduced, because hydrogen is able to just pick it out this copper from the CuO. So as a result, copper is displaced there, means reduced there, and hydrogen is oxidized with the oxygen to produce water. Here you can see, means CuO has been reduced to Cu and hydrogen has been oxidized to H2O. मतलब हाइड्रोजन में ऑक्सीजन लिंक हो गया, ऑक्सीजन इससे निकल करके, and similarly only Cu has remained from these substances. So CuO has been reduced and but hydrogen has been oxidized to form water. So now let us write the oxidizing agent of this reactions. Means we have earlier known about the oxidizing agent. Means ऐसा agent जो आपका ऑक्सीजन दे सकता है फॉर ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन. सो यहाँ से ऑक्सीजन मीन्स CuO से ऑक्सीजन रिलीज होकर के ये हाइड्रोजन में जा रहा है. सो CuO इज ए ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट बिकॉज इट इज प्रोवाइडिंग द ऑक्सीजन टू हाइड्रोजन फॉर ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शंस. राइट ना ऑक्सीडाइज सब्सटेंस, इस केमिकल रिएक्शन में कौन सब्सटेंस आपको ऑक्सीडाइज हो रहा था? यहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन ऑक्सीडाइज हो रहा है बिकॉज हाइड्रोजन इज लिंकिंग विद द ऑक्सीजन atom to produce the oxygen molecule to produce the water. So oxidized material is hydrogen, but oxidizing agent is CuO means cupric oxide. नाउ नेक्स्ट रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट, इससे पहले हम लोग डेफिनेशन लर्न कर लिए थे, चाहे लिख लिए थे, मीन्स दोज सब्सटेंस व्हिच provide the or which removes the oxygen is known as, means which provide the hydrogen for the reduction or which is able to remove the oxygen from the compound state is known as reducing agent. तो यहाँ पे हाइड्रोजन means hydrogen is removing the oxygen from the CuO. Hence you can tell that hydrogen is reducing agent in these reactions. And now CuO remaining means leaving the oxygen, it has been reduced to this Cu. So Cu can be means reduced substance, you can write CuO because जो cupric oxide है it has been reduced to only copper, मतलब यहाँ से ऑक्सीजन निकल चुका है, means CuO has been reduced but hydrogen has been oxidized, means ये reduce हो गया और ये आपका oxidize हो गया, right? एन ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट मीन्स इससे ऑक्सीजन आपका निकल गया और ये कंबाइन कर लिया, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस सो इट इज रिटन एज अ रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट हाइड्रोजन.